Hi, welcome to our channel Jobvilla. Today we are going to discuss the jobs present in Power China company for the project of Saudi Arabia and different countries. So we discuss the details. Before it, we want to tell you please share this video with others and also subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the notifications of new videos. So please be continue with us and get the details of the jobs. Job can see C and I manager, commissioning manager, civil engineer. Next one is contract engineer, electrical engineer, HSE manager, HSE engineer, planning engineer, QAQC civil engineer, QAQC manager. Workplace is Saudi Arabia. Target date of deployment is December 1, 2023. So we apply for this position. Submit your resume to Power China Zambles POWERCHINAZAMBALES@gmail.com. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these positions. Also share with others. Thank you.